Hello children, chapter 7, fraction, exercise 7F. Children, firstly change into improper fraction, 4 2 upon 3. Write 3 in the denominator. 3 multiply 4 plus में 2. 3 4 is 12 plus 2 upon में 3. 12 plus 2, 14 upon 3. Similarly, write 3 2 upon 3. 3 as it is in the denominator. In the numerator, 3 multiply 3 plus में 2. 3 multiply 3, 9 plus 2 upon में 3. 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3. Write 5 1 upon 6. 6 as it is in the denominator. In the numerator, 6 multiply 5 plus में 1 equal to 6 multiply 5, 30 plus 1 upon 6. 30 plus 1, 31 upon 6. That is 14 upon 3 plus 11 upon 3 minus 31 upon 6. Children's denominator are not same. So find out the LCM of 3, 3 and 6. Three as it is, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3. LCM is 2 multiply 3, that is 6. Children, 6 is a common denominator. Okay, now write 6 in the denominator as it is. 6 divided by 3 multiply by 14 plus 6 divided by 3 multiply by 11 minus 6 divided by 6 multiply 31. 6 divided by 3 equal to 2 multiply 14 plus 6 divided by 3 2 multiply 11 minus 6 divided by 6 equal to 1 multiply 31 as it is upon में 6. 2 multiply 14 equal to 28 plus 2 multiply 11 22 minus 1 multiply 31 upon 6. 28 plus 22. 28 plus 22. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 write down the space, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. That is 50. Write 50 minus 31 upon me 6 equal to 50 minus 31. 0 minus 1. 0 is a small digit as compared to 1. 5 से बोरो लेंगे 4. 10 minus 1 9. 4 minus 3 1. That is 19 upon 6. 19 upon 6. Change into mixed number. That is 19 divided by 6. 6 3 is 18. 9 minus 8 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Your mixed number is 3 upon 6. 3 1 upon 6. Okay, this is the answer. Next question is 4 3 upon 10 plus 2 4 upon 15 minus 3 2 upon 5. Firstly change into improper fraction. That is 10 multiply 4 40. 40 plus 3 43 upon 10 plus 15 multiply 2 30. 30 plus 4 34 upon 15 minus 5 multiply 3 15. 15 plus 2 17 upon 5. Denominator are not same. Find the LCM. 10 15 5. 2 5s are 10. 15 as it is, 5 as it is not divisible by 2. 5 as it is, 3 5s are 15, 5 as it is, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5. Denominator is, that is LCM of 10, 15 and 5 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Children, write 30 in the denominator. Again write 30 divided by 10 multiply by 43 plus 30 divided by 15 multiply by 34 minus 30 divided by 5 or multiply by 17. 30 divided by 10 equal to 3. Multiply 43 as it is plus 30 divided by 15 2 multiply 34 minus 30 divided by 5 6 multiply 17 upon 30. 3 multiply 43. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. 120. Write 129 plus 2 multiply 34. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6. 68 minus 6 multiply 17. 102 upon 30. Firstly add these two numbers, then subtract 100. 129 plus 68. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 write down this place, 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 197. Subtract 102. 7 minus 2, 5. 9 minus 0, 9. 1 minus 1 equal to 0, that is 95. Firstly add these two numbers, 129 plus 68 equal to 197. Subtract 102 upon में 30 as it is. 197 subtract 102. Answer is 95 upon 30. Children, both fractions are divisible by 5. 95 divided by 5 equal to 19. 30 divided by 5, 6. Change into mixed number. 19 divided by 6. 6 3s are 18. 9 minus 8, 1. Mixed number is 3, 1 upon 6. This C part. Firstly change into improper fraction. 12 multiply 2. 24. 24 plus 7 equal to 31. Right? 31 upon 12 plus 8 multiply 4. 32. 32 plus 3. 35 upon 8 minus 2 multiply 2. 4. Add 1. 5. 5 upon 2. Since denominator are not same, find out the LCM. 12, 8, 2. 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Again write 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 1 as it is. 3 as it is not divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is, 1 as it is. LCM of 12, 8 and 2 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Your LCM is 24 and 24 is a common denominator. Write 24 in the denominator. Again write 24 divided by 12 multiply by 31. Add, again write 24 divided by 8 multiply by 35 minus 24 divided by 2 multiply by 5. 24 divided by 12. 24 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24. 24 minus 24 equal to 0. Your answer is 2. Write 2 multiply 31 plus 24 divided by 8. 24 divided by 8. Children, 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 24 equal to 0. Answer is 3. Write 3 multiply 35 minus 24 divided by 2. Answer is 12 multiply by 5 upon me 24. 2 multiply 31 equal to 62 plus 3 multiply 35. 35 multiply by 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 write down this place, 1 carry. 3 3s are 9. Add 1 10. 105 minus 12 multiply 5 60 upon me 24. Firstly add these two numbers. 105 add 62. 5 plus 2 7. 0 plus 6 6 1. Your answer is 160. Write 167. Subtract 60 upon me 24. 167 minus 60 equal to 107 upon me 24. Children, change into mixed number, that is 107 divided by 24. Children, 24 4s are 96. Subtract 7 minus 6 1. 0 minus 9. 0 is a small digit as compared to 9. 1 से बोलो लेंगे 0 10. 10 minus 9 1. Your remainder is 11. 4 is a quotient and 24 is a divisor. Write in mixed number, that is 4 11 upon 24. This is now